What's good, peoples? Just want to show you guys a slightly new workout you can use to compare your workouts. Okay, so what you guys want to do is take your today's date and turn them into 3 digits. For example, yesterday's date was September the 11th, 2019. Now, if your day in the month is showing only 1 digit, then you will have to make 2 workouts. For example, September the 5th, 2019, you will set it up like this: 905 and 952. After you set it up like that, you will do a plus minus plus workout from top to bottom, not including the mirror numbers to your beginning digit. If you guys are not familiar with your mirror numbers and flip numbers, I would include a link in the description for you guys. After you guys set up your workout, you would then need to add up your month and day to find your date sum number, which you will use to help find your hit. For example, 9 plus 5 equals 14, but you will only use the last digit in the ones place. Now feel free to go down or up a number on your date sum, because sometimes it will equal up to one of the digits, most likely the beginning digit. For example, let's say your beginning digit in your workout is a 9 and your date sum digit equals to a 4. Because 4 is opposite of 9, you will go down a digit to a 3 or up to a 5 and use those digits and their mirror or flip digit to use in your workout to find your hits. I did do other videos explaining date sum and mirror numbers, so feel free to check them out. Okay, so now let's get into the good stuff. So yesterday was September the 11th, 2019. What I did is took the month and day and made it my workout, as well as flipping the numbers of the month to all possible combinations. Now, I can't stress enough, you guys, how important it is to compare, because it really works to narrow down your numbers. I also use the pick 3 and pick 4 and flip those as well. So here's how it works. Off of September the 11th, 2019, you will take 911 and flip them to all possible combinations. So 911 turns into 416. The way I like to do it is by doing a mirror number and keeping the other number the same. So 9 becomes a 4, 1 stays the same, and then 1 becomes a 6. If you set these up right, then you should have a repeat of 3 digits somewhere. You always want to make sure that the month digits are always flipped completely to mirror numbers. So 911 becomes 466. You will set it up the same for pick 4 day and evening hits. Now in the pick 4, I noticed that it will give you the pick 3 hits. For example, on September the 11th, 2019 day, the pick 4 hit was 9621. So I flip 9621 to all of these combinations. On September the 12th, 2019, the daytime pick 3 hit was 696. As you can see in the 5th row, 966 was in there. Now the picks doesn't always hit in the same day. Sometimes it'll be the next day when it will come out. The pick 4 numbers that you have set up, you want to come up with pick 3 hits. Always start with the first 3 digits in those pick 4 digits. Then take the remaining last digits and set those up as pick 3 digits. Then skip the third digits in those pick 4 digits and use the first 2 digits in the last digits to get your last set of pick 3 numbers. They should look like this. If you set them up in the right order that I gave, then most of the time your hit will be the very last set of numbers. I know you guys might be confused, but continue to watch this video over and over until you understand, then pass it along. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or DM me on my Facebook page. Links will be in the descriptions. I have another channel, so I'm on that one a lot. So please subscribe and watch my videos, because I do giveaways and I want you guys to be a part of that. Thanks for watching.